Welcome to another video. This problem which says a cube minus b cube equals to 61, and you want to know the value of a and b, as a and b are member of natural number, and here is the conditions attached to it. Only when a and b are a member of natural number, so we can then solve this problem. We have a cube minus b cube. It has an identity of a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, and we just try to replace it and equate it to 61 as a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square all equals to 61. And we know this 61, it can be written in two possible ways. Either we multiply 61 by 1 or 1 by 61. And which one are we going to equate this thing with in either 61 and the 1? And we know we have a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. I'm going to let this one equals to 1.61, and the reason is, since I said a and b are a member of natural number, so which means this 61 multiplied by 1 will not satisfy this problem, and I'm just taking 1.61, and we cancel this. Check this one for more details. So whenever we have a minus b, this one must always less than a square plus ab plus b square. So, and since this one happens, so we are not going for 61.1, since a and b are a member of natural number. That is, the value of a must always greater than the value of b, and a minus b must always less than a square plus ab plus b square, and that is why we go for the second one, which is 1.61. So since we have let this thing equals to this, so the first thing is, the best thing we are going to do here is a minus b will be equals to 1, and I consider this as equation 1, while a square plus ab plus b square equals to 61, which is equation 2. And we know from equation 1, let's say I want to get the value of b in these equations. So what to do here is, if you consider from equation 1 and I make a the subject of the formula, so we have 1 plus b, and this becomes equation 3. That is, we are going to substitute that equation 3 into equation 2, as anywhere we see a, we replace it with 1 plus b, all raised to power 2, plus we have b bracket 1 plus b plus b raised to power 2 equals to 61. So we know that if we expand this, it is going to be 1 plus 2b plus b square plus b plus b raised to power 2 plus b square equals to 61. Then we have b square in 3 times. By adding all this together, it becomes 3b raised to power 2, and this plus this is 3b. While we have plus 1, and if I transfer 6 here, it becomes 61 equals to 0. Then we have 3b raised to power 2 plus 3b, and here is minus 60 equals to 0. So what we can do here is, we take out 3 as it is a factor of everything. So we have b squared plus b minus 20 equals to 0. So by dividing both sides by 3, the end result will be b squared plus b minus 20 equals to 0. And this gives a quadratic equation. So which you can solve this by factorization method because this is factorizable. And we know this b is the sum of this, and y this 20 is the product. That is, if you look for the two values, by adding it together, it must give the middle terms, and by multiplying the same number, it must give the constant term, which is the product. And the two number is 5 and 4. So if you have 5 minus 4 is 1, and 5 multiplied by minus 4, it is going to be minus 20. So we are going to replace these two values in this problem. So which is b squared plus 5b minus 4b minus 20 equals to 0. And we group this thing in two. So the first one we group it, which is b squared plus 5b, I mean the first two. So while the second two is minus 4b plus 20 equals to 0. And here we have b that is common to both. So by taking it out, we have b plus 5. And here is minus 4 by taking it out. So we have b plus 5 equals to 0. So we have b plus 5 common, and we take their coefficient together, which is b minus 4. And we pair it with b plus 5. Everything equals to 0. Then we know from here that b here is equals to 4, or we have b equals to minus 5. But which option are we going to choose? So from the condition that a and b are a member of natural number. So, b is a member of natural number, right? So which means negative 5 is not a member of natural number. And we neglect this, and we go for this. So since we have b equals to 4, to get the value of a is very simple. So just come to where we let that a equals to 1 plus b. So, and since b is equals to 4, then we have a equals to 1 plus 4, which is equals to 5. But we have gotten the two values of a and b, which is 5, 4. So, and here is the pair of the solutions. So to check if these are equal, so we have a cube minus b cube is equals to 61. So obeying the question. And we know a is 5 raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3. And is it equals to 61? Yeah, definitely it is equal, because 5 cube is 125 minus 4 cube is 64. And we subtract these two, we are going to have 61. So which means the left hand side equals to the right hand side. And here is how this problem goes, as 5, 4 is the answer to this. As a and b are member of natural number only, I repeat. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.